Number 1. Introducing the 1966 Ford Galaxie 500, a classic sedan that exudes timeless elegance and performance. This beautiful vehicle comes in a striking blue paint color and is in good condition with 79,290 miles on the odometer. Powered by a 289 V8 small block engine, it runs exceptionally well. The automatic transmission has been recently serviced to fix a leak, and all fluids have been replaced. Key updates include a rebuilt carburetor, a complete brake overhaul, and a refreshed interior with new carpet, seats, headliner, and dash. Additionally, a modern radio has been installed, though the original unit is included. The solid body showcases minimal rust, highlighting the vehicle's well-preserved state. With its clean title and exceptional features, this Ford Galaxie 500 presents a fantastic opportunity for classic car enthusiasts seeking a reliable and stylish cruiser. Check the link for additional details and photos. Number 2. Presenting the 1966 Ford Mustang, a California A-Code coupe and a true icon of American automotive history. Equipped with a 289 V8 engine and automatic transmission, this Mustang offers a strong foundation for a rewarding restoration project. Although it has been sitting for 2 years and will need a new battery and some additional work, its rust-free body and clean title make it an exceptional candidate for enthusiasts. Located in Monterey Park, California, and priced at $8,000, this Mustang is a blank canvas awaiting a passionate owner to bring it back to its glory. For further details, make sure to visit the link in the description. Number 3. Here is the 1978 Chevrolet Malibu, a project car that's perfect for builders and custom enthusiasts. Featuring a fresh 350 motor paired with a TH350 transmission, this Malibu is mechanically sound but lacks an interior, offering a blank slate for creativity. Its iconic red exterior hints at the potential for this car to become a unique and personalized classic. Priced at $3,500 and located in Spearfish, South Dakota, this Malibu is an ideal choice for someone eager to take on a hands-on project. For more information, check out the link in the description. Number 4. Step into the world of restoration with the 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, a project car brimming with potential. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this Mustang is not currently running but was last operational in 2019. While the car requires significant work, including floor pan replacements, frame rail repairs, and addressing rust issues, it retains its original charm with seats in good condition and a clean title. Located in Clearwater, Florida, and priced at $4,500, this Mustang is ideal for an enthusiast ready to restore a piece of automotive history. For more details, follow the link in the description. Number 5. Introducing the 1953 Buick Special, a beautiful classic sedan with custom exterior detailing. Under the hood, it houses a straight 8 engine, maintaining its original mechanical simplicity with no power steering or brakes. The car runs, drives, starts, and stops, making it a solid project for someone looking to continue its restoration. While the interior requires cosmetic attention, the overall condition offers a great starting point for further improvements. Priced at $6,500 and located in Welch's, Oregon, this Buick Special is a fantastic opportunity for anyone passionate about preserving vintage automotive elegance. For additional details, visit the link in the description. Number 6. Introducing the 1950 Plymouth Business Coupe, a timeless classic full of vintage charm and restoration potential. Equipped with a manual transmission and featuring mostly original parts, this car is a blank canvas waiting for a passionate enthusiast to bring it back to life. While it requires some minor work to get running, the seller is including numerous extra parts to assist with the restoration process. With its distinct design and nostalgic appeal, this Plymouth Business Coupe is perfect for those seeking a unique project vehicle. Priced at $4,999 and located in Chico, California, this classic coupe offers endless possibilities for restoration or customization. Don't miss the opportunity to learn more about this classic by following the link provided. Number 7. Next up is the 1975 Pontiac Grandville convertible, a true gem from the final year of Pontiac's full-size convertible production. With only 4,500 units ever made, this rare and collectible vehicle is powered by a V8/400 CID engine and boasts a solid body. While the car requires some attention, including fuel line replacement, window repairs, and new paint, the interior is in good condition, making it a prime candidate for restoration. Whether you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast, this Grandville convertible is an exceptional opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Priced at $6,200 and located in Westfield, New Jersey, this Pontiac promises to be a rewarding project. Check the link for additional details. Number 8. Discover the 1975 Mercedes-Benz 450 SL, a stylish convertible that embodies the luxury and performance of classic German engineering. Featuring a V8 engine and automatic transmission, this car ran well last year but has been sitting since and will require a new battery to get back on the road. The car has no rust and comes with a clean Kentucky title, making it a strong contender for restoration. Its sleek design and enduring appeal make it an ideal project for enthusiasts of vintage European vehicles. Priced at $6,500, with the location noted as unknown, this Mercedes-Benz offers timeless elegance and a solid foundation for a revival. Follow the link for further details and inquiries. Number 9. Meet the 1976 Jeep CJ5 4x4, a rugged and versatile off-road classic that's built to handle any terrain. Powered by a factory 360 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, this Jeep comes equipped with custom heavy-duty bumpers, a posy rear lockout, and collector plates. Inside, it features high-back seats and numerous new parts, making it a dependable choice for adventure seekers. Whether you're looking to upgrade or enjoy it as is, this Jeep CJ5 offers reliability and classic style. Priced at $6,500 and located in Andover, Minnesota, it's ready to hit the trails with its next owner. Don't miss out. Check the link for more information. Number 10. Introducing the 1967 Ford Galaxie 500, a stunning one-owner fastback coupe with timeless elegance. This base model is powered by a 392-barrel engine paired with a C6 transmission, offering both power and performance. It comes with a clean title and was last driven a short distance just last year, proving it has retained its roadworthy charm. A solid and rare classic, this Galaxie is an excellent candidate for either restoration or preservation. Priced at $7,000 and located in Portola, California, it's ready for its next chapter with someone who appreciates the beauty of vintage Ford vehicles. Learn more about this exceptional classic by following the link provided.
Number 11. Introducing the 1939 Studebaker Commander, a stunning vintage coupe with a rich history. Featuring a manual transmission and just 45,756 miles on the odometer, this striking red classic has been part of a 40-plus year collection and was stored in a museum in Ventura, California. Nearly 98% rust-free, it only has a small spot near the passenger side rear wheel well. The interior is original, in excellent condition, and free from tears or damage. While the paint rates a 6 out of 10, it shines and is considered driver quality. Some parts, such as the running boards and rear windows, are missing, though the rear window gaskets are included. The Flathead 6 engine turns freely, but the fuel and cooling systems will require attention before starting. This Studebaker is a unique opportunity to own a piece of pre-war American automotive history. Priced at $7,300 and located in Ventura, California, it's a true gem for collectors. For more details, refer to the listing link. Number 12. Next up is the 1977 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, a sleek black pickup with timeless appeal. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine and equipped with a manual transmission, this truck has approximately 108,000 miles on the odometer. Known for having one of the cleanest C10 bodies, this vehicle has tremendous potential for restoration or modification. Although it was running a few months ago, the registration is not current. Notable upgrades include a new catalytic converter, and the seller is including additional parts with the purchase. This Silverado is an excellent foundation for anyone seeking a reliable and stylish classic truck. Priced at $7,500 and located in Oakland, California, it's ready for its next chapter. Explore the listing for more details. Number 13. Here is the 1957 Ford F100, a bold and classic yellow pickup that embodies Ford's legacy of durability and style. With a powerful 351 Cleveland engine, manual transmission, and front-wheel drive, this truck is ready to make a statement. The odometer shows 65,799 miles, and the vehicle is in good overall condition, requiring minimal effort to hit the road. Whether you're a collector or someone looking for a rewarding project, this F100 offers a solid opportunity to own a piece of classic American automotive history. Priced at $8,000, with the location unspecified, this timeless truck is ready for its next adventure. Check the link for further information. Number 14. Presenting the 1966 Ford Thunderbird convertible, a masterpiece of mid-century design and luxury. With only 38,000 miles, this convertible is a stunning example of timeless elegance and performance. Recently, it underwent an engine rebuild and is in good condition, with a clean Colorado title and a thorough maintenance history. Known for its smooth ride, iconic design, and premium features, this Thunderbird is an excellent driver and a true head-turner. The seller regrets parting with it, but is motivated to sell. Priced at $9,000 and located in Greeley, Colorado, this convertible is a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts. For further details, visit the listing link. Number 15. Finally, we have the 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, a red coupe that represents the pinnacle of classic American style.
While the vehicle is currently missing its engine and transmission, it provides a rare and exciting restoration project for enthusiasts. The odometer reads 123,456 miles, and the car retains its original fair condition. With a clean title and its unmistakable design, this Impala SS is a solid foundation for anyone looking to restore a classic. Priced at $9,999 and located in Hollister, California, this iconic Chevrolet awaits someone with the vision to bring it back to life. Learn more about this opportunity by checking the provided link.